With cooking kangkong, guys. Oh, hello everyone. Kangkong is very nice. I put only garlic, again, chili, a very small chili, 1 piece because it's very spicy. And then after a while, I put oyster sauce and magic sarap. Baka naman magic sarap.